We just have time for one question. Any questions you want to address, for Bill to address? Questions, Moss? One question. Bill, can you hear us well? I'll repeat the question if it's hard for you to listen to.
I could not hear the question.
No, he hasn't made it yet. Here he comes.
Hi, Bill. Good to see you again.
Hi.
I have a question for you about product B. You didn't mention that product in your presentation. Does product B have an active telomerase ingredient? And if so,
yes.
What's its effect on the telomere?
Well, I typically do not discuss products. I'm a research person, and I get too many cease and desist orders from all the companies that I already sell. I should have mentioned that when I was talking about the supplements and the pet product stuff, there's already several companies that are marketing products that we have discovered, or they contain the ingredients. But product B is now called isogenesis, does contain natural products, nutraceuticals, that do induce the expression of telomerase inside the cells. Okay, that's the main purpose of that product.
Thank you, Bill. Thank you, Moss, for the question. Bill, again, thank you so much for the brilliant talk and for joining us today.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Bill. Thank you. Thank you.